Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best glow-in-the-dark toys is probably one of the most fascinating categories of kids' products, offering a unique blend of fun and visual appeal. These toys have captivated children's imaginations for generations, providing a safe and entertaining way to play, especially in low-light conditions. From glowing stars on bedroom ceilings to light-up action figures, the possibilities are endless, making playtime more exciting and engaging. Number 5. Creativity for Kids Rock Painting Kit. This kit lets you create and share kindness. You can paint, decorate, and hide these rocks. It's a fun way to brighten someone's day. This is the perfect gift for kids who love arts and crafts. It comes with everything you need to get started. The kit includes glow-in-the-dark paint, vibrant colors, and tracking stickers. Hide your painted rocks outside and see them glow at night. The paint is weather-resistant, so they can handle the elements. Place them around your neighborhood or yard. It's fun to craft together and share your rocks with others. You can gift them, hide them, or share them with friends. Use the hashtag to see what others are creating. Give the gift of creativity with this unique activity. Creativity for Kids has been making fun experiences since 1976. This kit is recommended for kids ages 6 and up. What we like. This rock painting kit lets you spread kindness. If you have a child who loves to create and share, this is perfect. It allows them to paint rocks that can withstand the elements, making them ideal for hiding around your neighborhood. If you are looking for a fun activity that combines creativity with community involvement, consider this kit. What people say. The kit includes 10 smooth, ready-to-paint stones, non-toxic acrylic paint, dotting tools, and sealant. The mandala dot painting technique is easy to learn and produces visually appealing results. The hide-and-seek aspect of the kit encourages kids to place their painted rocks in outdoor spaces for others to discover. Number 4. National Geographic Glow-in-the-Dark Science Kit. This kit lets you make your own slime, grow crystals, and more. It's a fun way to explore science, and it's perfect for kids of all ages. They will have a blast with this kit. Inside, you'll find everything to make slime, grow crystals, and create glowing putty. It even includes a fluorescent wernerite rock. This kit has everything they need to get started. The included learning guide explains why the crystal, slime, wernerite, and putty glow. It's a great way to learn about the science behind the fun. The guide makes it easy to understand. This science kit is perfect for family time, homeschooling, or the classroom. It's a great way to learn and have fun together. They can share the experience with friends and family. The experiment steps are clearly written and easy to follow. This makes the set even more enjoyable for kids. They can easily follow along and have a great time. Blue Marble, the maker of this kit, is a Toy of the Year award winner. They develop products that foster education and creativity. They also have a US support team. What we like. Want to explore multiple glow-in-the-dark experiments? This kit has it all. If you're looking for a fun and educational experience for your kids, this is the one. It includes a detailed learning guide to explain the science behind the glow. If you like a kit that combines fun with learning, you should consider this. What people say. All the items in the kit were excellent and great quality. I would also like to add that I was surprised that a really cool educational booklet came with the set, and we learned some really cool facts about non-Newtonian fluid and also learned about how putty came into existence. It was very surprising. Good product to give very nice learning experience for young scientists. Number 3. GlowCity LED Basketball, Light-Up Toy for Kids. Introducing the GlowCity LED Basketball. This is a fun and exciting toy for kids and teens. It is perfect for nighttime play. This size 7 LED basketball features 2 lights, providing up to 30 hours of glowing fun. It's great for the whole family to enjoy. The basketball illuminates with every bounce and automatically turns off when not in use. It's ready to light up the night. The glowing basketball has a sturdy, water-resistant rubber exterior. This helps protect the lights during both indoor and outdoor games. The basketball comes with instructions and pre-installed batteries. Just inflate it with a pump, and you're ready to play. Note, pump not included. Looking for a gift for kids aged 8 to 13? This is a perfect choice. It's a blast for everyone and makes a great birthday present. What we like. This basketball lights up the night. If you have a child who loves playing basketball even after dark, this is the perfect gift. It's impact activated, so it glows with every bounce, and the durable exterior ensures it can withstand outdoor play. If you are looking for a fun and unique sports gadget, consider this. What people say. The glow-in-the-dark stars and moon stickers are very easy to apply. They stick well and stay on the ceiling unless you take them down. The glow is very bright and lasts a long time after charging them with a flashlight. Number 2. Fun Forts Glow Fort Building Kit for Kids. Introducing the Fun Forts Glow Fort Building Kit. This amazing kit lets your kids build anything they can imagine. It's perfect for indoor or outdoor fun. The kit includes glow-in-the-dark rods and spheres. Expose them to light, and then watch the structures come alive in the dark. It's a magical experience. It's not just fun, it's educational. This kit helps kids master basic engineering skills while sparking their creativity. A building guide is included to get them started. Made with kid-safe, BPA-free plastic, this fort kit is designed for ages 4 and up. The rods and balls are the perfect size for little hands. They are built to last. The Fun Forts Kit is a 2021 Mom's Choice Award Gold Seal winner. Give your kids the gift of imaginative play with this fantastic building set. They will love it. What we like. This fort building kit sparks creativity. If you have kids who love to build and imagine, this is a great choice. It allows them to create forts of various shapes and sizes, fostering their engineering skills. If you like a toy that encourages imaginative play and STEM learning, you should consider this. What people say. The pieces are well made and durable, but please note younger children may easier poke their eye out with the rods. My 5-year-old grandson loves to build and is very creative. Being glow-in-the-dark will only add to the fun. Quality looks like the projects will go on for a long time. Easy to put up, take down, and store. Number 1. Dan&Darci Glow-in-the-Dark Rock Painting Kit. Looking for a gift that sparks imagination? This kit is perfect for kids who love art and a little bit of magic. It allows them to create unique, glowing rock designs. The kit comes with everything needed to get started. It includes natural river rocks, glow-in-the-dark paints, regular paints, glitter glue, paintbrushes, and fun accessories. The star of the show is the glow-in-the-dark paint. When the lights go out, the designs come to life. Imagine the excitement as they watch their creations glow. Whether they're beginners or experienced artists, this kit is fun for all. The included paintbrushes and accessories make it easy to add a personal touch to each rock. This kit is a great STEM project and a fun way to spend time. It's perfect for individual play or group activities, providing a satisfying and creative experience. What we like. This rock painting kit is all about glowing designs. If you have a child who loves art and a little bit of magic, this is the perfect gift. It includes puffy glow-in-the-dark paints and various accessories to create unique designs. If you are looking for a fun and educational activity, consider this. What people say. Our 5-year-old granddaughter has already painted several rocks thinks the glow-in-the-dark paint is really fun. If your child likes to play outside she will love this. Let's child hunt for rocks and paint them any color. My kids, ages 4 and 7, loved doing these, and loved playing with them in the dark. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.